Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can hide your location on your Yubo app. To do so, first of all, open up your Yubo app, and after opening up your Yubo, just go into your profile avatar right here on the top right side of your screen. After that, again go on to settings, which is top right side of your screen. From here, go on to safety and privacy. Here you can see 8 hours of your location. Right now it is disabled. If it is enabled on your Yubo account, you just have to disable it like so. And now your location will be hidden on your Yubo account. This is also this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.